Hello, welcome to Coding Island YouTube channel. In this video we will learn the DALL-E 2 Microsoft AI image generator is a cutting-edge technology that utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to generate unique and beautiful images. It features an intuitive user interface that allows you to customize your images with a range of settings and options. One of the key features of the DALL-E 2 Microsoft AI image generator is its ability to learn from your input and generate images that match your preferences. Here I'm on DALL-E 2 official website. You can see the image diagram here. I will click on Try DALL-E 2 button. I already log in for it, so this will lead me to DALL-E 2 page. You first need to sign up for it using Google account. I will first give a prompt to it, and will wait for its result. In my prompt, a cat will chase a mouse, so let's see. As you see, this generate 4 images of cat chasing mouse. These images are taken from different angles. You can see these images are of high quality. I will give another prompt about Spider-Man with Batman and will wait for its result. This will take some second to analyze our prompt and response to it. And here it is, a Spider-Man with Batman. This prompt also generate 4 images. You can click on image and can see different option for download, variation, etc. The DALL-E 2 Microsoft AI image generator, a powerful tool that allows you to unleash your creativity and produce stunning images with ease. The power of artificial intelligence to generate unique and beautiful images. It features an intuitive user interface that allows you to customize your images with a range of settings and options. Subscribe to the channel.